Hey everybody, today we're going to review this DrillMaster 120 volt half-inch hammer drill. I bought this because I need to drill into concrete for my gazebo, and so I need something to drill into concrete. And this was about $25 plus or minus the coupon. If you have a coupon, it's always a good deal at Harbor Frieghts. We have a coupon. Generally it's inexpensive, so I bought this, and let's open it up. So inside you'll find the hammer drill, a grip, a guide for the depth, and a tool to loosen or tighten the bit that you put in. So the length of this is about 11 inches, 10 to 11 inches, and the height about 8 inches. So that's not too bad. The wire length is really short. I think it's about 3 feet to 5 feet. There's a good depth guide to put on to your grip. So let me put this on. So to put this on, pretty much you loosen this, and this goes around here. So, yep, like bike. I don't believe there's a direction to this, so let's try to loosen this more. I don't know what that part. Oh, that's for the depth guide. That's right. So some bolt in here in the net. So expand this. Oh snap! I'm really out there. Yep, I'm gonna take it off. That's the hard part. That's no bueno. I mean, it's doable, but that's not good. Doesn't make it easy. I dropped the nut in here, and hopefully it screws in. There you go. And so yeah, that's not a good part about it. Oh, it didn't screw in. My finger's not small enough. There you go. Righty tighty. See what goes in. Yep. Yeah, that was hard for what it is. So tighten it. I'm just tightening it here. I put it exactly where I want it. Left side. Yeah, I'm right-handed. Screw it. Actually, it should be like right here. So I have to consider the depth guide as well. Maybe I should have flipped it the other way, but who cares? I don't care right now. This is both okay to me. Let me adjust it. The depth guide goes into here. Basically in here. Just basically put anywhere you want. So it looks like that. I'm putting it like this because I'm gonna use it like this. Because I like to have it like this on my hand, like a gag. So I'm gonna go lay it down and show you guys how it looks like. There you go. Now I'm gonna go drill and let you know how it goes. Now I'm gonna put the drill bit on. So pretty much by hand you can turn this and tighten it. Until you get to wherever you need. I never used really a hammer drill bit, so bear with me. I have my safety goggles on now. So use the tool to tighten as needed. Make sure it's tight so it won't skip. This is not that great. It's already kind of wearing off. Okay, that's how you put the bit on. This is a masonry bit because I'm drilling into cement. Let's let's go. So I'm drilling into here, so I'll let you know how it goes. I'm gonna plug it in and test it out and go. It's kind of windy outside, so bear with me. So the drill works, and let's go. Okay, after using it and drilling the hole, it worked perfectly fine. There's some things I didn't know about it, which is kind of interesting because I didn't think about it. I thought it was all the same. But nonetheless, there's a function button up here. This is on the hammer setting here. It has a hammer symbol, and you can see it through the autofocus. And the drill symbol here. I was on drill before when I started, but then I changed it to hammer, and then started going through the cement perfectly fine. This is a reverse or clockwise or counterclockwise direction. It's defaulted by the drill direction. Don't know what this button does. I don't know what it says on the manual, but the manual doesn't tell you much. A nice feature is this thing right here. Just here. And this allows you to put this through and keep it there. So when you need the drill bit or change it, you can just use this and you pop it out like that. Cool. One thing about this is when you use this bends a lot. It's kind of creepy because when you're drilling and all these things are happening, this bends ever so slightly, so it feels like it's gonna kind of pop off or whatnot. So just the FYI, this thing wasn't, when I put it in, it was super secure, but then when I started drilling, it kept moving and moving and moving. So just that FYI, keep that in mind while you're drilling. Overall, it does what you need it to do, inexpensive, and it's durable for a few uses so far. My general experience with DrillMaster brand is that it's like, it works, it does what you need, but it's not commercial grade, so you don't expect everything from it. The build quality is good for enough for what it is, and the price is good. Just remember this part right here, the handle here, isn't that great. And when I was holding this and pushing it down, my arms were getting tired because this does vibrate a good amount, and I type a lot, so my wrists are weak. Nonetheless, wish we knew what this thing does right here. But outside of that, it's straightforward to use, works well, and definitely worth the price for what it is. Just don't expect the world from it.